Chwanuka, Minister of Finance, Planning, Economic Development, Honorable Maria Chambade, Minister of Trade, Industry, and Cooperatives, Your Excellencies, members of Diplomatic Corps, the CEO, Nation Media Group, the CEO, KPMG East Africa, country leader, KPMG, the country managing director, monitor publication, sponsors, partners, and associates, representatives of the top 100 SMEs, the staff of KPMG and Nation Media, all members of business and private sector, ladies and gentlemen, very warm greetings to you all, and you are most welcome. I will warmly welcome you all to the top 100 medium-sized companies Gala dinner that has been running in Uganda for the 5th consecutive year. Welcome to the Power of Africa, the home of the hybrid eclipse. I'm pleased to join a range of entrepreneurs from different parts of the country, sector and industries of the economy who have contributed wealth and job creation in Uganda in line with the NRM government commitment to ensure a private sector-led economy. On behalf of government, I wish to thank the private sector for the tremendous support and contribution to our economy. The SMEs contribute approximately 30% of Uganda gross domestic product, employ more than 2.5 million people. The employment growth is estimated at 25% per annum, and therefore the SME subsector is a prime source of new jobs for our young population and second only to agriculture in generating employment and contributing to poverty alleviation. The growth of SME sector is a very important tool for economic transformation. SMEs should therefore be assisted to create and enhance efficient units that support government's efforts in employment creation and sustainable development. Government is therefore committed to work with the private sector to address challenges faced by SMEs, which include difficulties in accessing finance, high interest rates, unstable exchange rates, unpredictable world economic environment, high cost of production, infrastructure, customers taking long to settle debts, and difficulty in finding and maintaining appropriate and skilled personnel. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, following the opening up of our borders to our regional neighbors, we must more than before appreciate that we live in a global village. We therefore need to remain competitive to be able to survive in business, sales, and retain our share both in regional and global markets. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to work hard and smart for ourselves to be self-reliant and also remain competitive. The dark side of not embracing these steps will be evidenced by the mortality rate of SMEs. We need to apply strategies that will see SMEs getting better, growing stronger, and going higher. I commend the entrepreneurs in this country to enhance the quality of our products and also improve on their business operation so as to take advantage of the wider market offered by the East African market. With a combined population of over 160 million people and the entire global market. The future of our country will likely depend on the favorable development climate for private sector investment in the economy. Government will remain a dependable partner in ensuring an environment that guarantees growth of the sector. Finally, I congratulate SMEs which have made it to the top 100 this year and expect to see them graduate from the top 100 mid-sized companies in the next few years. It is my hope that SMEs will continue to make a sustainable impact on the economy and society as a whole. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to once again thank KPMG and Daily Monitor and their partners for their efforts in coming up with such honorable projects. I thank you for your kind attention.